In 1997, BHEL and GE formed a 50-50 joint venture to establish the gas turbine aftermarket service company. The aftermarket starts with providing the OEM parts, giving the regular retrofit and upgrades to keep the machine reliable and efficient, also with regular repairs and field services needs clubbed with our world-class engineering support. Here is our remote monitoring and diagnostic center, built leveraging GE's technology. Each of the gas turbines are connected with an on-site monitor at the turbine. The on-site monitor collects and processes the data, brings it here. We have advanced algorithms that process this data and provide insights that can be used to improve the fleet availability, reliability and efficiency. To my right, you see all the IOCL refineries that are connected to this RM&D network. Now we have come to our repair facility, 50 kilometers northeast of Hyderabad. This facility was established in 2001. I am joined by Mr. Srinivas Duvarapu. He is our repair service manager. He will talk through the journey from 2001 on capacity and capability investment.
Thanks, Lalit. This is our repair facility. It's spread across 6 acres and it's spread into 4 bays. Currently we are in bay 4 where we repair buckets and fuel nozzles in this bay. This is the robotic weld cell used for repairing all stages of blades. This system uses robotic arm, laser sensors and specialized welding technique called cold metal transfer welds. And the beauty of this welding technique is it deposits welds at faster rate with very low input. So this is the CNC machining center where we machine all stages of blades and restore the critical dimension to original drawing tolerances. Repair and calibration of fuel nozzle plays an important role in ensuring smooth operation of gas turbine for next repair cycle. And this is the facility where we perform the liquid flow test. So once the flow meets the requirement, the system indicates the flow is meeting the drawing tolerances and it's cleared for further operations. This is robotic HF and plasma coating facility where we perform coatings on the gas turbine components. And this is a new multi-coat system we have installed recently where we perform thermal barrier coating, wear coatings and upgradable coatings on the gas turbine components. And this equipment is capable of performing advanced coatings on advanced GE design gas turbines as well. So this is bay 2 where most of the repair is carried out for combustion hot gas component repairs. So we'll go through the details in bay 2. This is vacuum furnace where we perform heat treatment of gas turbine components. This is one of the critical process in repair process where it restores mechanical and metallurgical properties of gas turbines. This is portable CMM which is used for measuring critical to quality dimensions, and this compares with the drawing requirements to ensure that the repair meets the repair criteria. This is a simulation fixture where we simulate the component after the repair is completed so that we ensure that the components are fitted in the gas turbine without any issues. This is acid stripping facilities where we strip old coating on nozzles, shrouds and blades.